Big Brother 27 has entered one of the most intense points of the season, and Week 8 has proven to be another dramatic chapter in the ongoing battle for power inside the house, as the power of veto competition delivered shocking results that could completely reshape the trajectory of the game heading into the later stages. Fans have been glued to the live feeds and social media updates, and the latest spoilers confirm that the veto results are nothing short of game-changing. Week 8 began with emotions running high after the head of household made bold nomination choices that left the house divided, and the fan base buzzing with speculation. Alliances were already showing cracks and floaters were being forced to pick sides, but the veto competition always looms as the great equalizer, and this week it has done just that. The power of veto competition saw a mix of players fight tooth and nail to secure their safety and perhaps even shift the power dynamics inside the Big Brother house. What makes this week particularly explosive is that the veto winner was not someone who expected to walk away victorious, and the ripple effect of this outcome is already being felt throughout the house. According to spoilers from those who closely follow the live feeds, the veto competition was a highly physical and mentally demanding challenge that tested endurance, focus, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Several house guests struggled early while others thrived in the high-stakes environment, but when the dust settled it was clear that the game had shifted in a surprising way. The veto winner this week managed to not only secure their own safety but also put themselves in a position to influence the nominations in a way that could leave the host scrambling to salvage their week. As always, the veto ceremony looms as the ultimate stage where decisions will have to be made and relationships will be tested. Fans have already started speculating on what moves could be made if the veto is used and which house guest might find themselves blindsided. This season has been packed with unexpected twists, and the Week 8 veto results may go down as one of the pivotal turning points. What stands out most is the way this win alters the power balance in the house. Heading into Week 8, many believed that the dominant alliance would coast through with little resistance, but the veto has given an outsider or underdog the opportunity to shake things up. This creates the possibility of a major backdoor plan, or at least forces the host to reveal where their true loyalties lie. Viewers who have followed Big Brother for years know that the veto can often be more powerful than the head of household itself, and this week is a textbook example of why. By winning the veto, this house guest has forced everyone to re-examine their strategies and reconsider their alliances. Trust is at an all-time low and paranoia is creeping into every conversation. The veto ceremony will not just be about who goes on the block but about how the entire house responds to this dramatic shift. Spoilers suggest that conversations have already turned heated as some house guests lobby aggressively for the veto to be used to save one nominee while others are pushing to keep things the same. In the midst of these negotiations, the veto winner holds all the cards, and their decision will reveal just how much courage and foresight they have in shaping the game. Fans have been quick to debate on social media whether the veto winner should play it safe or take a big swing, but regardless of choice, the Week 8 results have guaranteed that no one feels comfortable heading into eviction night. Another layer to this week's drama is how the veto outcome has exposed the weaknesses in the majority alliance. The cracks that were once small are now widening as certain members feel betrayed and others worry about being targeted next. House guests who were once sitting pretty are suddenly realizing that their positions are not as secure as they thought. With the veto in the hands of someone unexpected, the house is buzzing with speculation about a possible backdoor plan. One of the biggest targets has now emerged as a possible replacement nominee, and fans know that nothing sends shockwaves through the Big Brother house quite like a last-minute blind side. If this move materializes, it could reshape the rest of the season and set the stage for a whole new power struggle. As of now, the veto winner has been playing their cards close to the chest, which only adds to the suspense. Some house guests believe they will keep nominations the same, while others are convinced that a daring move is in the works. The uncertainty is what makes Big Brother so thrilling, and this week is delivering that in spades. Viewers who tune into the upcoming episodes will see not only the intense veto competition itself but also the fallout of the winner's decision, which is sure to spark fiery diary room confessions and emotional confrontations. The veto has always been the lifeline in Big Brother, and this Week 8 result reminds everyone of just how unpredictable the game can be. It is moments like this that prove why the series has remained a fan favorite for nearly 3 decades. Fans thrive on the unpredictability, the blind sides, and the raw human drama that comes when power shifts unexpectedly. The winner of the veto this week may very well become a household name among Big Brother enthusiasts depending on how they wield their power in the coming days. Looking ahead, the eviction vote could be one of the most divided of the season. With loyalties being questioned and tempers flaring, the house is no longer predictable. Each conversation could tip the balance and each promise could be broken in the heat of the moment. Fans can expect plenty of live feed drama as the house guests scramble to secure votes and avoid becoming the next casualty of the season. Big Brother thrives on chaos and Week 8 is serving that up in full force. Whether you are a casual viewer who only watches the episodes or a die-hard feed watcher who lives for every whispered conversation, the Week 8 power of veto results guarantee an unforgettable stretch of gameplay. This is the kind of week that fans will look back on as a turning point and the kind of week that separates the strong strategists from the ones who crumble under pressure. The tension in the house is palpable and the stakes have never been higher. As eviction night approaches, all eyes will be on the veto winner to see how they ultimately use their power and whether the Who can recover from what has been an unexpectedly difficult week. If the veto is used, it could set the stage for the biggest blindside yet, and if it is not, the cracks in the O's will continue to widen, leaving plenty of room for chaos in the weeks ahead. Big Brother 27 Week 8 has already proven to be unforgettable, and the power of veto results have only amplified the drama. Fans know that nothing is ever set in stone and that every decision has consequences. This week's veto winner has rewritten the script, and now the entire house must scramble to adjust. As the season barrels toward its final weeks, the game has never been more unpredictable, and the Week 8 veto results will be remembered as a pivotal moment that changed everything. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.